Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix camera bug in Roblox Mobile. To fix a Roblox camera bug using Grow a Garden as an example, first open your device settings and search for Clear Cache. Locate Roblox and select Clear Cache, then tap Reinstall to download it again. Once reinstalled, open Roblox and launch Grow a Garden. After the game loads, access the in-game settings by clicking the Roblox icon. In Settings, change the camera mode from classic to follow and adjust the movement mode to classic thumbstick. Additionally, toggle the reset camera on respawn option if available, and make sure to restart the game after making these changes to ensure all settings take effect. These adjustments should resolve the camera issue, giving you smooth gameplay, proper control, and a better overall experience in Grow a Garden. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.